Hey guys, welcome back to a new video on Guide Hub. In today's video, I'll be guiding you on how to get story mode on TikTok. Make sure to follow all the steps and watch this video till the end to learn how to do it. Now, if you don't see this feature on your TikTok app, you can try a few steps to resolve this issue. So the very first step which you can take is to update your TikTok app so you can go ahead to your Play Store or App Store on your device. And there on the search bar, search for TikTok and then make sure TikTok app is up to date to the latest version. Once that is updated, head over to the TikTok application and then try your story mode. If you still don't see the story mode on the TikTok, the next step you can take is to clear all the cache and data from your TikTok application. Now to do so, tap and hold the app. Once you do that, a pop-up menu will appear on your screen. Now tap on app info at the bottom of the menu and then you will be able to see clear data option at the bottom right of your screen. Now tap on that option and there tap on clear all data option. Once you do that, all the data and cache from the app will be cleared. Now you have to tap and open the TikTok app and then get logged into your TikTok. Now see if the story mode is available on your TikTok app. Now if this solution also didn't work, then head over to the last solution, which is to uninstall your TikTok app from your device and then installing the app. Now for that, tap and hold the app and then you will be able to see uninstall option in the menu. Now tap on that option and once your app get uninstalled, head over to the Play Store or App Store on your device and there again search for TikTok and tap on install button to reinstall the app. By uninstalling and reinstalling the app will get refreshed and all the glitches will be clear. So the story mode must be available. Now if you tried all the steps which I have mentioned on this video and still don't see the story mode on your TikTok app, then this means that this feature is still not available in your region. Now those were the steps that you can take if you don't see the new story mode on TikTok. If this video helped you out, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos like this. Keep watching.